think I should be here.
We just had breakfast. Hashtag this is the breakfast.
What
is the breakfast? Exactly.
She wanted breakfast. She asked us to get it, and she made me take the guilt for throwing that food.
Yeah, that's her.
The dosa is on you. That dosa.
Okay, guys, we have to tell them where we're going.
Dosa type.
We are going to Sarojini. Where are we going first? Delhi Hat.
Delhi Hat. Bro, you are always so confused.
I don't know. See, we're going to.
She doesn't know what we're doing, what we're eating, where we're going.
We're going
What
to
do you
three.
know?
We're going to 3 different places. In fact, so we'll update you all in the shuttle. Right now, we have to scan and get out of Ashoka. Okay.
Neha. She's matching.
With the banana.
So cute.
It was all planned, guys. It was all part of the plan.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel.
We are talking bad about her.
Yeah. We have too many things to say actually.
Guys, I'm
So-
the first person who woke up today.
What's the point?
Wait, I want to see my face.
What's the point if you are gonna be late?
Bro, I washed my hair, guys.
Okay, never mind. Never mind, guys. We're waiting for the shuttle to come to gate 1.
You could never.
I'm camera shy, guys.
Liar.
Bro, this is matching your
not.
thread, I guess. You know what? My hips don't like. Bro, I love the hip chain.
It's very cute.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'll run back and take my jhumka, guys. What is this?
Not happening.
Here. Anyways, it's not here.
Give me. I don't want water only at this point. At this point.
It's here. What? What are you doing? Okay, guys, we finally secured our seats in the shuttle.
Out.
Okay. So Neha's taking over. Where is Shrestha? Are you here? Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to do. Okay, guys, we'll update you all when we reach Azadpur now.
When we reach where?
Azadpur. Oh no, Jahangirpuri. We're getting down.
What? I booked
It's fine, it doesn't matter. You can get off at Jahangirpuri also.
Okay, I forgot for a second.
I forgot that Jahangirpuri comes before Azadpur.
Yeah. So we're getting off at Jahangirpuri, right?
Anywhere is fine. Jahangirpuri would be easier because it takes a lot of time to go from Jahangirpuri to Azadpur for the shuttle. Metro is faster.
Okay, guys, we'll update you all then.
We're at the metro station, guys.
Already tired. I don't want to do this. Delhi, we're done. Why are we running exactly? For Okay. Let's go then. Let's run. Look at Ayush. Yeah. Just get in first. Guys, why aren't you all sitting?
Yeah, why all? It's fine. We just ran and got our metro.
Thanks for the update, Ayushi.
It was not
obvious at all.
Okay, guys. So, starting it. We've reached Delhi Hat.
We are at Delhi Hat and then we're gonna exit. You know what I'm imagining Delhi Hat to be? You know in Ashoka they put up hearts.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be like that
Which
only.
is why I thought it was going to be really lame. But we'll see.
What does Delhi Hat look like?
Like Delhi Hat.
Never mind, guys. Yeah. See
Go
you
there,
guys.
scan it too. They just left.
Okay, so now we're heading to Delhi Hat and we're gonna have
We have
momos.
sold that.
And I
only.
In the back end, Ayushi just asked me.
No, stop. Don't let them.
leading the way. So sunny. You should get what? Married?
Are you getting married? What?
Who's getting married?
A monkey, no.
A monkey is getting married. What?
Fox is getting married, so it rains when it's sunny.
Oh, wow. Wow. I've never heard that.
These are your future psychiatrists and therapists, guys.
Why? No thanks. Because I have to wash my hair tomorrow. So.
Yeah, in the morning.
Guide.
She walks
Why is she
and
lying?
camouflages into the background.
Tickets for what exactly?
Yeah, exactly.
Tickets for what?
Entry.
Entry to the market.
Delhi Hat, bro. Stop. Y'all are too touristy for this.
Anyways, you're getting the tickets for us, right? Good. We're gonna get a Ayushi getting a photo with the elephant, guys. Shrestha likes this outfit here.
So guys, we are here at Sikkim Tourism. No, this is. We are at Sikkim Tourism at Delhi Hat. And this is the menu. You see so many people having momos. So we think we should have momos.
We are having momos.
Yeah, we are.
We are having chicken. I don't know about y'all.
We're having veg.
Veg, whatever it has.
चिकन मोमो और एक और प्लेट वेज मोमो 3 लेमन सोडा और एक
लेमन सोडा मुझे सॉल्ट पसंद है ना.
Mixed.
अच्छा, एक स्वीट है, 2 मिक्स. Guys, so somebody's plate I saw the momos were like really big and there were like 8 momos, so we decided for me and Neha will get chicken momos 1 plate, and for Priyanshi and Ayushi will get veg momo 1 plate, and then I'm getting sweet lemon soda and she already got her coke.
She, who's
and
she?
then
Neha.
Neha, and the others are getting mixed lemon soda. This is our order, guys. We might end up getting something else
she did,
also.
she did.
Yeah, and I just braided my hair. Knitting.
Of course, that's the main update. This is all like this is all just the starting build up.
I just
After
wanted to
get
look
the
at
brain.
myself too, like.
Chicken momos, veg momos. Chicken momos, veg momos.
So much. Find the 8 differences.
Okay, how much would you rate?
9 out of 10.
Why -1?
Because nothing can beat Food Village chutney. That's why.
How much would you rate?
I forgot how it
Why
tastes.
-0.15?
I remember. But I love it so much.
But this is really good, but I've had more. Dehradun.
Let's go there.
This at the OGs, bro, obviously.
How much would you rate it? Why -2?
Why -2? Because it's my free will and I'm going to 8. That's all.
Oh my god. Film majors, guys.
Didn't see that coming. How much will you rate?
8.5 actually, same.
Why?
That is crazy.
Because I've also had better momos, but this is good. I think it hits better in winters.
The soup is really good.
Flipping the.
Everything. Happiest face here.
It's what? Alrighty.
Where are we going next? Sarojini.
So,
We are here waiting for those two who took like 10 minutes.
I don't know.
It's so red, bro. You look like
What is
roasted
that?
chicken.
Because of
Your
that.
face? Very cute.
It's fine.
Okay, now guys, let's get going. Stop! She likes bullying me, guys. कैसे से वो आप बोलती है? And then she bullies me. You know? She takes my phone from me whenever she wants. And then she bullies me, guys. That's it. That's all I have to say about this.
+1. No, she's a cutie.
She's tiny, bro. She can fit in the couches in the comments. This is nothing. Okay, enough. Now get up. Too much attention you're getting.
Bought something from Farmer Market. This is so sunny. I look
You
like
and
I'm
your
blind,
obsession
but
with-
it's just so sunny.
Wherever we get coolers, we settle there, yeah, for like 5 minutes. Nice vibes, but let's go. Let's get out of here. It's way too sunny. Yeah.
Nice, but let's go.
Let's get out of here, bro. It's way too sunny. What?
It's sunny.
Can't even buy anything here, first of all, because everything's so overpriced. Like, extremely.
What do you want?
I don't want
Tell
anything.
me. I'll get you.
You will, Pagga. You wait and watch now. Okay. It's cloudy and it feels too good.
I'm coming back. Aww. Love you too, Shrestha.
What did Sheshta say?
She's coming back.
Oh, she's coming back to Delhi Heart. What?
With what?
She's coming back to Delhi Heart.
Yeah.
We're exiting Delhi Heart, guys, and everyone's ignoring me because they're all busy talking about something. I don't know what. And Ayushi is just walking there. See, I don't know where she's going exactly. But anyways, guys, y'all wanna say something? Anything?
Wait. I can do something with my specs. Wait.
Okay. Never mind. There's a dog here. What? I'm coming only. Now we are taking the metro, so yeah. You were going to do something, do that first.
Let me do. It's like Rajinikanth style, okay? No, do this. It's like.
All the Rajini fans,
Wait,
saliva.
2 minutes. And then the metro will be here and we'll reach Sarojini also in 2 minutes.
We should have taken her plan and see the walk straight.
See, we should have just walked to Sarojini at this point. We would have reached.
But it's gonna take us 2 minutes to reach by
What is
metro.
she saying, guys?
Yeah.
She's saying
And then if we walk, it will take us 15 minutes.
Guys, it's not literal, guys. It's not literal. Okay,
Enough,
guys,
enough.
this is a video.
Oh, video, guys.
Oh.
You just left.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I didn't know.